Hey guys, it's Nautical Whale here, and today I'm going to be opening a simple cosmic chest. So let's get started. You can't really get that much good things out of this, but I can't really afford anything better, so yeah. Let's do 19, 2, 27, and 8. Wow, someone just said you're bad to me. Oh, that's... Oh, we didn't get to... Ooh, protection too. I mean, that's good for me. That's not that good. Regen. Ah. We got... Oh, he's... Yeah. Guys, just saying that's my friend. So, that's going to be it for this episode today. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.